Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your wireless cell phone charging pad in the 2024 Kia Niro EV. I have in front of me here a Wave in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we are going to head into the 10.25-inch infotainment screen, and we can enter setup either by hitting setup in the bottom right corner here in your control center when the infotainment controls are showing, or we can swipe the entire screen to the left and select setup in the bottom right corner. And then we're going to go into vehicle in the top left corner. On the left, we're going to swipe up to go down all the way to convenience and select that. And I'm going to pull up just in the middle here a little bit. We have our wireless charging system for mobile devices. So we're going to make sure that that's turned on. So the wireless charging pad in the Niro EV is located right down here in the center console, just under your control center. It's a very large space, so there's lots of room for larger phones, and it does have some vent holes in it just to help with overheating and just allow your phone to breathe while it is charging. So I'm going to go ahead and take the iPhone I have here. Now, you want to make sure that you don't have any pop sockets or finger rings or card holders on the back of it, because that can obstruct your wireless charging. And you have to make sure that your phone is capable of wireless charging in the first place. If not, there are multiple USB-C charging ports throughout the car, even if you need to get an adapter cable for older iPhones. So I'm going to go ahead and place this phone down in the middle here. Sometimes it might take a second, but this has come up, so the phone's confirming, and you have a little light here to let you know that now it's charging. There's also one little indicator up in the top right to let you know it's charging as well. Now, if you happen to have a phone down there that is wireless charging capable, you place it down there, the light comes on, and it seems like it's charging, but then all of a sudden it starts blinking after. Well, that just means that your case might be affecting the charging, or your phone happened to be maybe a little bit too warm, and that's affecting your charging. So it knows the phone's there, but something's not allowing it to charge properly. And once it's fully charged, that little symbol will go green to let you know it's full now. And if you were to go turn the car off and open your driver's door, it will ping on the instrument cluster just to remind you a device is still in the wireless charger, just to make sure you want to take it with you. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.